All right, so I want to make a video tonight. If you don't have Parler yet, I know Amazon is going to revoke access to AWS for Parler pretty soon. They're going to take the site down. It's about 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time on January 10th, 2021, and I think this will probably happen around midnight. But I wanted to make this video for anybody out there that's looking to put the app on their phone so that when Parler goes back live, you're able to use it. And I'm also going to make a tutorial on how to put Gab on your iPhone or Android. Gab is not going to go down. They own their own servers. But if you want to figure out how to put the Gab app on here, because Gab is not a mobile application in the sense that it's in an app store, but you can put it on your phone like a mobile app. So I want to show you how to do that. I'll start with Android. If you're looking to put Parler on Android, this is probably the easiest way to do it. Is go to a website called apkpure.com. I did it through DuckDuckGo because who knows if Chrome or Safari or any of these other web browsers owned by Apple or Google will allow access to this site in the future. Who knows? I mean, there's some crazy, shady stuff going on right now with some of the big tech censorship. So I like to use that web browser. But go to apkpure.com, search for Parler in their search box, download what's called an APK file, and this will basically allow you to download the app to your Android device. I have a tutorial on how to do this. It's pretty straightforward. You literally click install and it installs the app on your Android. The benefit of doing it through Android is this is a native application, so you'll have push notifications. A native application just means that you have access to all the functions of your phone. So like the flashlight, notifications, it's just a faster application versus a web app. So a web app is going to be an app that looks identical to a native app, but it's a little bit slower. You don't have all the same type of features available. It's basically just the website version. Like if you're in a web browser and you're using the app in the browser, it's going to be that experience, but you can still launch the app through your phone like any other apps. But if you have an Android, you can actually download the apps. That's not a problem. That's really how you want to download Parler if you have an iPhone. You want to basically go to Safari, type in parler.com, and I'll pull that up right now. It'll ask you to open it in the App Store. Obviously, you don't want to do that because it's no longer there. If you go to the bottom ribbon, there's a button in the very middle. It's like the share button, I believe. If you go there, kind of scroll down a little bit, add to home screen. That's what you'll want to tap right there. Add to home screen, and what it'll do is it will actually add an app to your phone that it looks identical to the Parler app that I was able to download before they kicked it off of the App Store a couple days ago. It looks exactly the same. It works exactly the same. The only difference is it may be a little bit slower than the native application. There's a few other subtle differences between web apps and native apps, but that's really the easiest way to use it like an app. With Gab, it's going to be the exact same process. Go to Safari, gab.com, add to home. I don't think the add to home function is available in DuckDuckGo. I've kind of looked into that. So that's the easiest way to do it that I've found. Gab Social, it's gab.com, the same method. Access it through Safari, add to home screen, and it'll create a little app icon on your phone. So that's how you get Parler and Gab on iPhone. Gab is the same process with your Android. From what I understand, you just need to create that home screen app that will launch Gab. Because Gab is not in the app stores, you won't find it because it is a web application. So they don't have to worry about approval through all these app stores. So anyway, it's not a native application like Parler is right now, but I think it's pretty good. So if you're looking to get off any of these platforms, I highly recommend Gab or Parler, DuckDuckGo for your web browsing, just an internet browser. But hope this video helps. If it helped you, share it, like it, comment. I may try to add this video to Rumble as well if this gets pulled off of YouTube. So maybe bookmark it there if you want to share it with somebody else. But hope it helps. Good luck, everybody, and hopefully everybody will be able to use Parler and all these apps in the near future. Hopefully they won't be shut down for too long. So good night. Thanks.